Clips are segments of video and audio that are stored remotely from their original recorder. Use the clip creation tools to create a video clip from a single surveillance pane. So select the video pane to access instant playback, and then click the start time icon to set the clip start time. Use the playback features to navigate to your end time and click the end time icon. To export the clip, click the export icon. Click Save and select your save location. Select Save again and a dialog box displays informing you whether the save was successful. Click Finish. Next, click the View Clips list icon. Right-click the clip to be exported and select Export Clips. The export location can be changed here before clicking Export. The clip has now been exported. Click Finish.